Hello everyone, so US30 on Friday, that's what we're recapping today. You can see we hit a new all-time high. This was the old all-time high. Where the arrow is where the New York Open takes place, and you can see it's exactly the same area as the previous day. So in this day they were clearly selling, and then on the Friday they simply switched the sells to buys and continued to buy. In this scenario you would look for a trade set up for a sell after price pushed up with the New York Open. So you would look in this area for bearish pressure kicking in. And you can see we didn't see any bearish pressure. We saw bullish support from this old all-time high. Price retest that and used it as bullish support, pushed up and continued towards the upside all afternoon. So there was no real confirmation of weakness. So in this sort of scenario, you wait, you sit and look for the trades during your trading period, and if it doesn't show, then you get to the end of your trading period and decide to shut the chart and leave the chart alone. You don't try and force the trade because it can just go against you like price would have here. So this is when you need some discipline to just admit it's not working for you. There's no trades taking place to follow your strategy, and you need to just walk away. The template here would be the New York Open takes place, pushes up, takes liquidity, and then gets the reversal back down towards the New York Open. So there was no trades there. Was there any earlier trades? So we got the high volume time there. So that would be like that. Then we got the pre-New York, which was there. So what you can see here, before the New York Open took place, there is no real setup because the pre-New York takes place, consolidates sideways, the high volume time takes place and consolidates within these two levels. So we're consolidating, it's building up pressure towards the upside, but it's not giving you any real push towards a discount buy area or a premium sale area. So there's no early trade set up for the New York session, so you wouldn't have taken any trades there, and you wouldn't have taken any trades after the New York Open. Now let's just look at the London, see if there's any opportunity there, because when there's no opportunity during the New York session, the London Open normally provides a good setup. So pre-London would be here, so we have a line going like that. And then we got the London Open, which is here, this next line, which is that big bearish candle here. There. So it'd be something like that. So what you're seeing here is bullish support from the London Open. You can see the pre-London took place, went sideways, London Open took place, pushed down, took liquidity from here, retest that pre-London and shows you bullish pressure, come back down and retest that area once again, retesting the pre-London, pushed up, retesting the London Open. These are all showing you bullish confirmations. You got the liquidity grab here, you got the pre-London retested, and you got the London Open retested. So that is why you then got that continuation towards the upside all the way through the London session. If we put on the period separators, and we've already cleared all of these Asian session high and things like that. So there's no liquidity up here. All there is liquidity from the previous day, which is over here. So then you got the continuation up. So there was a better setup with the London Open than the New York session. But overall, on this day, stayed out for the whole New York session because there was no confirmations to get into the sell. I think I was aiming for this to start pushing down because we had this as resistance and that was a consolidation. I was seeing this as a push up to liquidity, so I was waiting for that push down from this area to show this area as resistance, and once that's starting to push down, all it had to do is break these levels for that continuation down, but it didn't get that. Price opened, market opened, pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, and it went too high for any kind of reversal, and it didn't show you any kind of weakness. So that's why discipline is needed and you just stay out. Hopefully that helps. All the links are in the video description. Take care.